here today to show you what we as police drive in our patrol vehicles and the type of equipment that we use.
Sergeant Rich Martin out of our downtown district, and welcome to our virtual tour of the police car.
Hi, I'm Officer Smith. I'll be helping out. Welcome.
So this is all the stuff that we have in our car. You can see it feels and looks kind of like a cockpit of an airplane. When we are dispatched to a call, our first resource that we get through our dispatch is by our radio. And then from there, our dispatch actually sends that information to our computer so we can see the comments that are made and what exactly is going on, the location, and just all the pertinent information that we need. So we have radar units inside the cars. They turn on, they're very simple. This is how they catch people speeding. And there's an antenna right here. The antenna sends out a wave, it hits an object, and then the wave has come back to it, and that's how it reads the speed. When we're responding to emergency situations, lots of times we have to use our lights and siren. Right here is how I work my lights, and that turns everything on from on the outside. We have a horn. This is the siren. They can make different sounds. If I turn the siren on and hit the horn, there's a vibration that people can feel in their cars. Get off my car! When we transport somebody, we always put them on our passenger side. We need to be able to see them. It's not the most comfortable spot, but for someone in need of help, prisoners or arrestees, allows us to get them to where they need to go safely. As you can see, all of our cars have cameras in the back seat. That's so we can see what exactly is going on in the back seat.
Hey guys, we got a robbery to go to. We gotta go. Thanks for joining us. See you next time at the virtual tour or real tour.